It's actually not. It's quite messy. Let's see here. I'll get this off. Okay, yeah, that's not good. Just took out all of the tape with it. Yeah, it's done. All right, so my benchy finished. Now, it's not perfect. Looks like there was a little bit of a layer shift, but other than that, the layers look pretty. There's a bit of tape on there. The layers look pretty solid. Looks like it had some issues with cooling here. Not a big issue though. Actually did the overhangs, which is quite surprising. Front was not bad. Messed up a little bit, but you know, that was pretty good. Top was really smooth here. I like that. And let's see here. My phone says 1 hour, 26 minutes, 34 seconds. Let's see here. Turn up the brightness. There you go. That's the time. So, not bad for my first attempt, I'd say. Did require a lot of tuning, but yeah. My poor Flsun Q5 though. Thing was noisy.